Hey guys, welcome back to Sneaky Sensei here on YouTube. Okay then, you lovable kids, I am going to be doing these videos for you guys because as much as I love to do gaming, I'm actually even falling more in love with filmmaking, and also I wanted to give something back to you guys because you guys have done enough for me. And also another major thank you for 280 subscribers. Guys, thank you so much. I really can't thank you guys enough. So basically what I'm going to be doing, okay, and also I've got some few DMs from some people actually, and people have been asking me when I go live on Twitch that, do you do any tutorials when you go live? And actually, this is something I am thinking of doing, and I'm quite passionate, and it's something that I love to do the most. Because honestly though, my uncle kind of gave me this awesome quote he did. He said to us here that in the morning, wake up for something that you love to do, and you're going to look forward doing it like the rest of your day. And that is so true. And for me in particular, that is streaming or gaming or vlogging or anything to do with filmmaking, okay? I'm a really big fan. And what I'm going to do for you guys, okay, so knowing that this is my first video, okay, I'm just going to be bringing you guys a small pieces of the stuff I use on a normal basic when I go live on Twitch or Facebook or even upon YouTube, okay? And if you guys really do like it, please make sure you do subscribe to the YouTube channel, because I would love to have this as my full-time job, okay? So let me show you, and there are a couple of things I will show you today, and then hopefully next week I'll keep pumping out more videos for you guys, okay? One sec. Love ya. And welcome back, guys. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys, one of I use, is lighting. And what's so cool about lighting is that obviously I've been at uni and I've been studying a lot about different key elements of lighting I have. And you have a 3-point lighting. 3-point lighting is your main key, your back lighting, and I can't remember the other one. I'm so sorry. I can't remember the other one. But yeah, but I say again though, you've got key, back. I will look up the third one. I will look up the third one for you guys, okay? But I'm so sorry. So yeah, the reason why I'm telling you guys all this is because when you go live upon Facebook, Twitch, or even YouTube as well, for that scenario, you really need a good light to reflect your face and to give like a proper definition of what people are looking at. So this is my method, okay? And please do not laugh at me, okay? Because I'm trying to think outside the box. And I'll say again though, money is not easy when it comes to us content creators, filmmakers, or even us streamers, okay? So one of you guys are seeing, this is an iPhone tripod that has my iPhone 6, okay? That's one of my old phones, and my mum was asking me the other day, why have you not sold your iPhone 6? And I said, because the reason why I've not sold it, mum, because everything around you can be used to your advantage, and it's a great light source as well, okay? So this is my key light, okay? This is my key light, but what's so attached to it is my other tripod, and this tripod actually I use for everything. If I'm using this camera, if I'm using my iPhones, it's really handy to have, okay? So if you guys would like it, please look at the link box below, guys. I left the link towards this tripod and also to this tripod as well, where you guys can go ahead and buy it. Now, you guys might be thinking to yourself, okay, we're still a bit confused. Why are you using an iPhone? Because an iPhone is a similar light source to any other different type of light source, okay? Of light sources, okay? Sorry, can't seem to talk, my apologies. And also, realistically, if I'm not expecting, okay? I'm not expecting, but it would be quite nice though if Elgato did send me one of their own lighting, so I get to do like a setup and I get it tested out for you guys and see how many of you guys would like it. Because realistically, I'm trying to think outside the box. Because I say again though, and I'm really sorry though if I keep saying this again and again and again, but realistically, money does not come easy for us lot, okay? And yes, I am still looking for a part-time job, but then again, I am still streaming on social media platforms. So if you're wondering to yourself, but how does this work? How does this work? Check this out. And so what you guys want to do, you guys want to go to light. Okay, close the application. I know, that's a lot of notifications. Tell me about it. please do pardon about the mess. Please do pardon about the mess. I'm sort of like a messy person, okay? So yeah, please pardon about the mess. But actually, if you guys can see, the light reflects onto my chair, it does. And obviously my webcam is there, so that's why you guys get to see me. And if you guys are wanting to yourself, dude, what's playing on in the background? This is The Last of Us 3 massive version. And we'll be streaming on Facebook on Wednesdays and Thursdays. We're not doing YouTube because I'm still at Primal Studios and I won't have the time. And on the weekends, actually, we will be on Twitch playing Batman Arkham City, I do believe. And honestly though, guys, I just really wanted to pop in and I want to show you guys what are the main things I use when I go live, okay? So if you guys have really enjoyed this video and if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments below or DM me upon Instagram, you guys. But I'm now becoming to realize that appreciate and use everything that you have around you to get to point A to point Z. Because money does not come easy, okay? Money does not come easy. But honestly though, if you guys have really enjoyed this video, please, you know what to do, which is like, comment, share, and please, please, for the love of God that is good and decent out there, subscribe to the YouTube channel, please. Because I'm trying to get back the YouTube partnership program back, so therefore I can start making more money on YouTube, and that would really help me out, okay? But honestly though, guys, if you really enjoyed this video, please, you know what to do. If you have anything you guys would like to ask me, please, the comment section below is your area to ask me. It could be the monitors. Please, you're more than welcome to ask me anything, and hopefully I will get back to you guys very soon, okay? So on that note, then once again, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Till next time, probably catch you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. See ya. Bye.